Warning, this game contains flashlight, loud noise, and lots of jump scare. Okay. Oi, ya Allah! Weh, kuatnya bising kan. Assalamualaikum. Korang pernah terbayang tak? Korang kan selalu tengok YouTuber korang main game kan? Macam aku kan, kau tengok sekarang ni kan? Okay, so okay, sorry. Lepas tu korang terfikir kan, terasa apa kata aku pula yang main game tu kan? Kan. Okay dah, aku malas buat lama-lama, so jom kita main sekarang. New game. Yes. Okay, help, wanted. Freddy Fazbear Pizza. Family pizza looking for secret guard to work and shit. Bagi aku baca habis. Tak apa. One night. Okay. Oh my god, first time. Okay. Oh, sorry. Macam nak buka? Mana punya? Oh, okay, sorry. Hello.
I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night.
Tak, macam mana aku ni power boleh turun bawah ni?
I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so
Okay.
I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll be fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week, okay? Let's see. First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to read. It's kind of a legal thing, you know. Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place for kids and grown-ups alike, where fantasy and
tak laju gila YouTube bawah.
Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Upon discovering that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days or as soon as property and premises have been thoroughly cleaned and bleached and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. If I were forced to sing those same stupid songs for 20 years and I never got a bath, I'd probably be a bit irritable at night too. So remember, these characters hold a special place in the hearts of children and we need to show them a little respect, right? Okay. So just be aware, the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk around during the day too, but then there was the bite of 87. Yeah.
Oh, like
It's amazing that the human body can live without the frontal lobe, you know? Now, concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person. They'll most likely see you as a metal endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully stuff you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross-made, wired, animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how having your head forcibly pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort and death.
Okay.
The only parts of you that would likely see the light of day again would be your eyeballs and teeth that pop out the front of the mask. Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey, first station of the breeze. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Check those cameras and remember to close the doors only if absolutely necessary.
Woi, Bonnie! Bonnie mana?
Alright, good night.
Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. By the way, ni first time aku main. Aku tak tahu apa-apa pasal benda ni. Tapi tak apa. Okay. Cek kanan. Sini kanan. Okay. Di masa dia. Okay, dia start ada. Okay. Chill out. Oh my god, I'm scared. Guys, I'm takut. Okay, dia masih kat situ. Can satu B, dia masih ada. Okay, di situ. Tapi aku pening tau. Kenapa power masih drain ke bawah Cuma kau tengok. Aku tak pegang apa-apa tau. Usage tu aku tak mana letak. Aku rasa kipas tu. Tak tahu lah. Okay, Bonnie masih di situ. Okay. Dia masih kat situ. Okay. Jangan guna banyak power. Kita kena simpan-simpan sikit macam contohlah korang kelaparan tapi korang okay, aku tak yakin. Weh, apa ni? Mana dia? Oh, makin dekat. Seram. Okay, by the way jump scare dia tak berapa seram lah bagi aku sebab dah biasa, dah game lama kan. Faham lah. Aku takut. Ah! Okay, kita tengok balik. Okay, dia masih ada kat situ. Masih 3 AM. Sekarang ni aku pening. Cika belah kanan ke atau kiri? Bonnie kanan ke kiri? Itu je aku confuse. Okay. Tengok. Weh! Weh, mana? Oh. Bonnie kat situ. Mana? Tu apa tu anak ayam ni weh? Aku dengar dam. Polisi datang. Siapa tu? Oh my god, I'm scared. Foxy, diam Foxy. Dia mana? Cik. Okay, ni aku tak tahu siapa. Tapi ni aku tahu cerita ada orang. Okay, jangan kena power lagi. Cik. Foxy, stick masih ada. Tu ada. Dia masih kat situ. Oh, apa jadi? Ada bergerak. Asal lama sangat ni. Oh my god, baru naik satu. Mana ni? Aku dengar lagu apa? Oh my god, bad chicken weh, bergemuk ni. Chicken datang. Ayam, siapa tu? Cika. Bonnie mana? Tu je aku nak tahu. Bonnie mana? Ready? Okay. Aku cek tempat-tempat lain pun. Oh my god, dia kat sebelah sini guys. Okay. Foxy? Okay. Dia masih kat sebelah aku. Oh, siapa tu? Aku tutup dulu. Oh my god. Oh, go away you fat chicken lah. Aku masak goreng kau ni yang. Oh, Bonnie kat situ. Okay. Bertutup. That chicken master dia apa benda tu? Kat sana. Okay, tutup balik. Okay, aku nak jimat power tapi aku tak tahu. Okay. Cik Bonnie. Oh. Aku jaya. Yay. 6 AM. Third night. Wait, relax bro. Whoa. Hold on. Whoa. Sabar. Diam. Weh, mana adik? Okay guys, itu je lah Minecraft. Minecraft pula, salah game. Okay guys, itu je lah video Minecraft. Minecraft salah game, apa aku ni? Okay guys, itu je lah video Five Nights at Freddy ke-1. Bang, tolong diam bang. So, game ni agak best. Tak best mana, tak, aku tak nak cerita apa-apa. Jumpa Five Nights at Freddy part kedua, okay? Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.